Welcome to Gayathri's Cook Spot. I am Gayathri Kumar and today I'll show you how to make an eggless ghee cake. This is a really flavorful cake and slightly dense but so soft and melts in your mouth. And let us see how to make this ghee cake at your home. First you need to preheat your oven to 160 degrees centigrade for 15 minutes. Then let's start mixing the dry ingredients. So Maida, powdered sugar, cardamom powder, baking soda, baking powder, and you need to mix everything well with a whisk. It's easier to mix with a whisk, so or you can use a fork or something. Once you mix all the dry ingredients, now it's time to add milk, ghee and curd. All these are liquid ingredients. Okay. I'm also adding some saffron. I soaked it in a little bit of warm milk and then add it to the liquid ingredients. Now let us mix the batter. I'll be whisking the batter only for 50 to 60%, and then finally I'll fold everything using a silicone spatula, because over mixing will make your cake very dense, so you don't want that to happen. So keep the mixing very minimum, okay, until all the dry ingredients are mixed into the wet ingredients. You can either bake this as a single cake in a 7-inch square tin or an 8 inches round tin, or you can bake these individual tiny loaves. I bought this new loaf tin recently, so I'm just experimenting it with this. Just divide the batter into the 8 molds in the tray. Okay. So after pouring the batter, we need to, it's like optional. You can add almonds, you can add pistachios, you can add rose petals, or you can just leave it as it is. And now it's time to bake the cake. We have already preheated the oven. Now you bake it for 20 to 30 minutes at 160 degrees centigrade. Now remove the tin from the oven and let us check the cake with a toothpick and see if any crumbs stick to the toothpick. If it doesn't, then your cake is done. Otherwise it needs another 5 or 10 minutes of baking. Now cool the cakes completely on wire rack before serving it or slicing it. It looks really beautiful and it tastes so amazing. If you tried this cake, please let me know how much you liked it in the comments, and subscribe to my channel, like the video and leave your comments on the channel itself. Bye.